Today we will be upgrading our robot arm. Mainly we will be upgrading this stepper motor, this one, so the second axis, third axis, fourth axis, and fifth axis. Sixth axis we'll keep it for another time. So let me show you what we will be doing today. We will add a gearbox here to add some torque to this stepper motor. Another one here, a gearbox, a reduction gearbox. We will be updating this pulley, the belt, also this pulley, and the belt. But from this part to here, it will stay the same, I would say. Apart from the gearbox that we will be adding also here for the other axis, so some reduction gearbox. So let's get started. We will need this kind of tools. And maybe I will start by showing you the reduction gearboxes. So this is for the NEMAT 23, this one, another one, another gearbox reduction for our second NEMAT 23, and then I ordered 3, but I received just 2 for now, and I will be waiting for the third one. So those are other reduction gearboxes, but for the NEMAT 17. So this will go, for example, for this one and this one. The other one also needs one, but we will keep it for another time when I will be receiving it. So we have this reduction gearbox, and then we have another one that I have to open. Let's do it right now. So you will receive this guy. Turn it just a little bit from this side, you see it's turning a lot from this other side. It's a 10-to-1 reduction gearbox. So also we will need these guys. With the key instead of this one, because I ordered it and I received it with a hole that is small. Then I tried to make it larger, but yeah, it sucks. It was a success, but then it failed. The part is failing here, so then I decided to go for a more robust one like these guys. And those, they will go with this gearbox, the big one. So you see, yeah, there will be the key that I will be adding here, and it goes just here. So 2. Let's put them back. Okay, yes, and then there will be the need for this guy. It's, if I remember well, it's a 14mm width belt, 530mm length, and it's an HDD 5M. It's a GT3 HDD 5M. I have already another one here, a smaller one with the respective rivets, but I will be switching them. So I will take this one, I will put it here, and this one, the most robust one, the larger one, it will go for the bigger stepper motor, and normally it's responsible for holding the weight of the whole robot arm. So this one is the pulley that goes with this belt. It's also an HTD 5M pulley, and it will be the one responsible of the motion of the second axis, this guy. So this rotation. This one I have to clean, but yeah. This pulley is HTD 5M, but this one is a GT2 pulley. So maybe in the future I will be changing even this one, this GT2, and you will see it here. So this pulley that is responsible for the rotation of this axis. So I will be having to clean the support from these 3D parts, and then maybe today we will be adding it also to the robot arm. So now we will couple this gearbox with this stepper motor. I have to clean this one, I remove all the pulley, and then I will couple this guy with this guy. So we will dismantle this pulley that you see here, the old one. Now we have to couple this guy with this stepper motor. Like this. Unlock it again. Insert this guy. Then we will use those screws. This comes with the gearbox to secure the motor and the gearbox. I will continue with the third one and the fourth one. Sorry, you can't see very well here. And I have to make the wires longer because now I am adding this gearbox and the distance is not correct, so I have to make it longer. I have to cut here and make this cable, this wire, longer. I go with the fourth screw. And now this will allow us to increase the torque of this stepper motor by 10, plus the increase done by using the pulley here, the pulley system, this one. So I have now, as I told you before, to make this wire longer. Just have to put this guy in the position where it was before, and I will use the same screws that I used for the stepper motor, but now they will be used for the gearbox, and they have the same size as the stepper motor, same dimension between the holes here. Second one. We will secure both screws here on their positions. pseudo final results. We still have to add this pulley in here. So we have to add it, secure it, and then put the belt that normally is here. We will switch it to here, and then couple it with this system. I will be cleaning this one. So there is the final results. So an HCD5M here and a GT2 system here. As I told you in the beginning, I may be changing this system of the GT2 to HCD5M also here. So 2 pulleys. This is for the third axis. So the same work will go for this stepper motor. I will be adding this gearbox here. So we have the same results. So the result is this when we finish the coupling of the gearbox to the big stepper motor and the smaller one. This one is responsible, as I said, for the rotation, this rotation of our robot arm, and the second one with the gearbox will be responsible of the rotation of this pulley that will drive this pulley, and that will drive this pulley, which is responsible for the rotation of the this axis, not the second, but the third one. So the next step is to add this one and this one. This one will go here because it's a large pulley that is compatible with this belt that will drive this axis, and this one is a small one that will be put here to drive this pulley.